Hey guys, I'm live. Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna call somebody. Hey dude, wanna see something? I'm gonna set you down. I'm gonna set you down here on this cone. Can you see the crossings? Yep. Alright, let me back up, dude. Not grabbing you, Yao, so you're staying there and get a ground shot. Cool.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector Milepost 3.6 Track 1.
There they go, Gabriel. Yeah. Yep, it's right here. The gates are down. There he is, dude. Yep, I-104, I knew it. It went off already. How was that first shot? How was that first shot, Gabe? Should I keep you there? I'm going to. Set you down again, okay? I can't hold two phones at the same time. Set you next to the train. Damn. there goes the end of CSX I-104. That train starts from Bedford Park, Illinois, heads east all the way to South Kearny, New Jersey. On to the next video. Roll it.